Hey y'all, it's the holidays. Today we getting ready to make mac and cheese. Look, I'm just making what I got up in the kitchen today, okay? So there is some stuff that I'm missing, but we just gonna get into it anyways, okay? And before we do not forget to get y'all cookbooks. Y'all can search my name or y'all can search the title of the book. Get cooking and keep cooking. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I start with is some chicken broth, or y'all can use water, y'all, and just heavily salt that water. I use large elbow noodles, so we're going to boil these. Just boil it as it say on the package, y'all. But I don't let them cook all the way. I get them like right before they're almost like fully done, and then I stop boiling them and strain them. And then I start on my sauce, which is some heavy whipping cream, some sharp cheddar cheese, some Colby Jack, and I'll just kind of mix cheese, y'all, and some Velveeta. And then I just get that all melted in there with some salt and pepper and some not parsley, some smoked paprika. And then I just mix that up real good until it comes out like this. And then once you get it to a good consistency, you just want to go ahead and pour it over your noodles. Y'all, this is nothing to it. This macaroni and cheese don't take no time, and it's so delicious every single time, okay? So you add all that sauce in there and mix it up real well, okay? And how you know it's mixed well, it should sound like this. Yes, so then we're just going to put it in our pot or our pan. And normally I do layers, but y'all, I was in a rush, okay? So you can do half of the noodles, put some cheese, and then put the rest of the noodles and then put some more cheese. And then this is just the cheese that I use. And make sure y'all shred y'all cheese. I use the block cheese normally. Shred the cheese, okay? It is important to get the block cheese so that you can shred it, because this cheese has a film on it and it doesn't melt properly, okay? So don't use the bag cheese. Take that extra step and shred your cheese, all right? So then on the top, I just put all the mixed cheeses and some salt and pepper and some smoked paprika, parsley flakes. Put it in the oven, y'all, for about 20-25 minutes, and this is how it come out every single time. Delicious, y'all, every time. My kids love this mac and cheese. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!